I'm going to start working on a document now, so I'm going to choose one that I've already created called WebWise, and when I click on it, it'll open up inside the Google Documents word processor. This is a fairly basic cut-down word processor, but you can do all the normal things that you would expect to do in any word processor. So if I select this piece of text here, I can center it, I can make it bold, italic, underline, I can change the font color, I can change the font size. So I'm going to make this 36, good and big. I can also highlight text, so I'll make this one yellow, so it looks fairly hideous at this stage, but you get the idea. Now, other things that I can do in here, as with any document, you can save it at that point, you can rename it. I can go to the revision history and I can go back to a previous version that I've already done. Another option is to download the file. So if you need to be able to work on it in a standard word processor, Microsoft Word, StarOffice, OpenOffice, whatever it is, you can download the file in various different formats. You can also download it in PDF, which can be quite useful. Now, this major difference between this word processor and any other word processor you've ever used is the way that you can share documents. So if I take this document now and choose to share with others, this will open up a new dialog and various options in here. So I'm going to invite in somebody as a collaborator. I have Porrico Duffy, so I'm going to add him in as a collaborator and invite collaborators. This will pop up a little dialog where I can send him an email saying what this document is about and inviting him to make changes or just view the document. I'm going to skip changing this. So over here on the right hand side now, you can see who has access to this file. So at the moment there's me and there's Porrick, and both of us are able to go in and edit the file. Now another option I have in here is to add people in as viewers. So I'm just taking one person here, and this person will be allowed to go in and view the file but not make any changes. So again, pop in the dialog. I can send the email. In this case, I'm going to skip sending the invitation again. Now, the next time that these people go into their Google Documents, they will see that they have another file which they can either edit if they're in this section or view if they're in this section. And at any time, I can change those settings so I can remove people if I need to. Another option down here on the left-hand side is to allow everybody within the school to either view the file or to edit the file. Now I'm not going to do that with this file because I wanted to restrict it to a certain number of people. So back to editing. I'm finished with this file now, so I'm going to save and close.